Inhale, bring your both the hands in front of your chest. Namaskar. Inhale, raise your hands up, look up, bend backwards. Exhale, forward bend. Both the hands by the side of your feet, look down. Inhale, take your right leg back and look up, knee also down. Exhale, left leg also back. Stretch. Inhale, exhale, knee, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale, look up. Exhale, both feet together, look down. Inhale, right leg forward. Left leg forward, look down. Inhale, stretch your both the hands together, look up. Exhale, Namaskar Mudra with a big smile.